Trump Media and Technology Group is going nuclear. DJT shares are jumping here after the company behind social media platform True Social announced a major pivot, agreeing to merge with TAE Technologies in an all-stock deal valued at $6 billion. The company looking to capitalize on AI's growing demand for power. And joining us with more, we got Yahoo Finance's Jake Conley. Jake, break down this deal for us.
Yeah, good to be here, Josh. You know, on first glance, this is a tough pivot.
Yeah,
for
a media
TAE.
company combining with nuclear fusion.
This is a tough pivot. This is a hard business. This is complicated science. It's very advanced. It's very expensive. If we look at TMTG's run, they have not been great at making money, right? They have spent more money than they have made. What they are good at is drumming up retail investment in general, share purchases, kind of capitalizing on the hype. And nuclear right now is a hype trade. A lot of people really want to get into the nuclear stocks. Oklo, NNE, SMR, right? These names have been hot all year. And so if some of that can turn into liquidity, I can see some sense. These projects take real R&D money, billions of dollars in expenditures. And so if this, you know, the pitch was that TMTG is going to provide some balance sheet strength. If that can happen, okay, maybe. Tough pivot though.
So as you look at this now, you review it, do you say, okay, I could see a case though where this is a good deal for Trump Media?
I think so, and I think it's going to be better for Trump Media than it will be for TAE. Because Trump Media.
Why do you say that?
Trump Media is going to get to capitalize on the nuclear momentum right now. Nuclear is a huge industry. People want to get into it. It plays well with voters who are looking for clean energy, right? And it's a hot retail trade. NNE, SMR, Oklo, Centrus, all of these names have run up this year on real retail interest and belief that these companies are going to break through a big technological wall we've been staring at for the past 40 years in this country. I think TMTG, if it can kind of backpack onto that, could stand to gain.
How far do you think we are from fusion technology, which, as you know, we've talked about for a long time? How far do you think we are from it going massive, commercial?
Caveat, I'm not a nuclear expert, but there's a joke.
You just play one on TV.
Yeah, exactly. There's a joke in the industry that we are always 20 years away from being 20 years away from fusion, if you catch my meaning, right? This has been one of those kind of down the horizon things for years. Has it been done? Yes. Fusion, taking light atoms like hydrogen, shoving them together to create energy, has been done in a lab, in highly controlled settings, in very small doses, creating minute amounts of energy. It has never been commercialized. And we are probably years, if not decades away from true commercialization because the science just has not broken through. The science to do this at scale, do it safely, do it consistently, does not exist yet. It hasn't gotten figured out. And so I think 2026 to start building a reactor, 2031 to have one generating energy at commercial scale is extraordinarily optimistic in the best sense. Because you've got to remember the regulatory component of this. NuScale, building an SMR, small modular reactor, with known technology, started applying and talking with the NRC, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, about their design in the mid-2000s. They did not get design approval until 2023. It's 15 years, and that's known technology. The NRC doesn't even have parameters right now for regulating fusion. There are so many hurdles here they're going to have to get over that 2026 to me, maybe they site select. Building and then operating in 5 years, 6 years, that's a hard case to make.
Jake, always appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Josh.